Welcome my viewers to the Magic Behind channel. This is the channel where we teach you about electronics components and how to use those components to make working circuits. In today's video, I want to show you how to make letters of any word, chase or flash on and off the way the letters of this word Google are doing. Before we move ahead, kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button below this video. The first thing to do is to count the number of LEDs on each letter. In my case, this G has 23 LEDs, this O has 14, the other O has 14, this G has 22 LEDs, this L has 9, and E has 16. The other thing is to ensure that all these letters have the same number of LEDs, and what will determine is the letter with the highest number of LEDs. Those LEDs on each letter must also be divisible by either 2, 3, 4, or 5. In our case here, the letter G has the highest number of LEDs, but the 23 LEDs are not divisible by 2, or 3, or 4, or 5. So, because we cannot remove LEDs, what we are going to do is to add one LED here to make this letter have 24 LEDs. On this one, we shall add 10 to make them 24. On this other one, we shall add 10 also to make 24. On this, we shall add 2. On this, we shall add 15. And on E, we shall add 8. The place to add or to put those additional LEDs is the back side of this board. You can have a bigger board so that you can have a good arrangement of LEDs at the back. I now want us to tilt the board at the back. This is how my board looks at the back. And as you can see, on this letter G, I have added one LED here to make a total of 24. One thing I want you to do or to know when adding the additional LED, you have to consider the polarity. This terminal is anode. That's why I have put it a plus sign here. It's the positive terminal. And at the end here, we had the cathode, the negative terminal. So when adding the additional LED, you have to make sure that the anode of this additional LED connects with the cathode of the initial terminal here, so that the flow can be continuous in series. You do the same on all these other letters. On our O, I have added 10, 3, 3, 3 plus 1. The same case here. On this, I have added 2. On this, I have 15, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. And on this, I have 8 LEDs. I have used a glue gun to stick those LEDs at the back of the board. It uses a glue stick. It gets inside. Inside here we have a heater. So the glue gun gets heated here. It comes out as a thick, hot glue. It is the one which I have used to stick the LEDs and to stick these terminal connections. The next step is you come on individual letter. This is the letter G. You divide the 24 LEDs into 333. So you divide 24 by 8, you get 3 LEDs in series. So you come to your letter, you count 1, 2, 3. After 3, you separate that connection. You do the same again, 1, 2, 3. You separate that connection, you come the same 1, 2, 3, you separate that junction. You do the same all around up to the 24th LED, and you do the same to all the letters. After you have done that, you remain with anode here and cathode here. Anode of the next 3 and the cathode. After separating all the letters, you come to individual letter. You take a long jumper wire. You can use either red color, yellow, or white. You connect all the anodes. This is anode. You connect them. Then you bring them to a terminal like this one. Those are individual anodes of each letter. You connect them in parallel, then you bring them down here. You do the same to each letter. As you can see, that is G. All the anodes are coming down there. This is O. All the anodes, they are coming there. That is the other O. That is G. That is L and E. After you have connected all the anodes of individual letters, you take a black long jumper wire. You connect all the anodes. You remember when you were connecting the anodes, you left the cathode. You connect all the cathodes. The cathodes have only one terminal, so you'll connect the cathodes of all the letters together as one with one long black jumper wire, and you bring them here. This is where the cathode terminal will be. After you have done that, this is where the positive signal terminals of the chaser will come. After you have done that, you take your chaser. This is my chaser circuit. It's a 7 channels chaser, but I'll only use 6 terminals because my letters are 6. I take my 6 wire which are carrying signals from the chaser. I solder them on these 6 terminals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have one common terminal here for the cathode. This is where then I bring this wire on this junction where all the cathodes of our board or of our letters are coming. You'll be coming here. I have connected all the cables to the chaser. This is my chaser. And my chaser is not using a battery. I'm using AC to DC rectifier. I now want to plug to the AC mains. We test whether our circuit is working. Our chaser, our board, the whole of our circuit is working properly. One caution I want to give you: do not touch any part of this board, especially at the back when the power is on. It is dangerous. It may hurt you. That's how to make those letters chase. And in case you have any question, ask me on the comment section below this video. Also share it with friends whom you think may be interested. You can also give this video a thumbs up. And also very important, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.